fruit, also called the olive, is of major agricultural importance in the Mediterranean region as the source of olive oil. The olive, known by the botanical name Olea europea, meaning European olive, found traditionally in the Mediterranean basin. The species is cultivated in all countries of the Mediterranean, as well as in South America, South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, and the United States. The factory in San Cachu belongs to designation of origin Oli de Mallorca, and it was opened on October 15, 2008. San Cachu factory are the biggest producers of extra virgin oil. The oil extraction is made by olive press machine by crushing, beating, and spinning at temperatures not exceeding 27 degrees Celsius without any chemical treatment. Production mostly comes from olives farms across the island after a careful selection, all acquired by San Cachu. The oil that commercialized is authentic olive juice, a total natural and healthy products. The cultivation of the olive tree and the production and consumption of olive oil have a long tradition on the island of Mallorca. Traditionally, olive oil made in Mallorca has been recognized and appreciated both by the inhabitants of the island and by the citizens of the areas with which they have historically maintained trade relations, especially with the south of France. According to historical data, it was the Phoenicians and Greeks who introduced the olive tree to the Iberian Peninsula, and from there, it reached Mallorca. Historical references indicate that in the time of the Crown of Aragon in the 13th century, oil was already exported from Mallorca to North Africa, along with other agricultural products. In the middle of the 15th century, Mallorca oil was product that was exported regularly and continuously from the island, especially from the port of Sóller. It was in the 16th century when an important advance in the cultivation and production of oil took place, consisting for a long time the main source of wealth of many of the estates of Mallorca, of which a large number had their own refinery. During the 17th to 19th centuries, the oil of Mallorca played a key role in the economy of the island, both for its function as a basic ingredient in the diet of the inhabitants as a product of change and export. Majorca oil was used as a currency to pay for imports for products whose deficit was deficient, such as wheat. The preeminent position of Majorca's olive oil in exports was maintained until the first half of the 19th century, representing for many years between 65 and 80% of Majorcan exports measured in monetary units. The recognition of the quality of Majorca's oil abroad was evident at the end of the 19th century, when in Catalonia, the second prize in an oil quality competition was awarded to a Majorcan oil made in a refinery in Majorca.